Finding the right height for your seat helps you to pedal more efficiently and more comfortably. There are a number of different methods to find your optimal seat position. Heel to pedal. Sit on the bicycle while holding onto a wall. You have to have your heel on the pedal while pedaling backwards to 6 o'clock position. If your knee is straight, then the height is good. If your knee is bent, you have to adjust the seat. Hip to the seat. This one is really simple. Just put the seat at the height of your hips. Having a smaller frame but bigger wheels can also make your bicycle more comfortable and optimal. If your seat cannot adjust properly, then you can also change the length of your crank.